Hello, and welcome to another digital lecture for Salt Lake Community College. This lecture will continue to cover section 6.1 for Introduction to Statistics, Interpreting Scatterplots. There are only a few definitions in this section that we would like to be comfortable with. When looking at scatterplots, we would like to be able to describe 4 different aspects of the relationship between the two quantitative variables. The first aspect we will discuss is the form. The form describes the general pattern of the relationship between the two quantitative variables. It can be described as having a linear form if the general trend follows a pattern resembling a straight line. It's important to notice we're not saying all the points live on a single line. We're saying the points just follow a pattern that resembles a straight line. The form can also be described as being nonlinear if it follows a trend of a curved pattern. Our class will be focused only on linear forms. However, the methods we will be applying can be extended to describe nonlinear forms as well. The second aspect we will discuss is the direction. The direction of the scatterplot tells whether there is an upward or downward trend. For linear forms, we say the direction is positive if the two variables increase together. So as the explanatory variable increases, so does the response variable. Notice it also looks like it has a pattern described by a line with a positive slope. The direction can also be described as negative if, as one variable increases, the other decreases. So as the explanatory variable increases, the response variable will be decreasing. Notice this also resembles the pattern of a line, which would have a negative slope. The third aspect we would like to discuss is the strength of the relationship between the two quantitative variables. The strength can be measured by how closely the points in a scatterplot fall to the form. When the points are close to the form, we say the relationship is strong. When the points are scattered more loosely around the form, we say the relationship is weaker. The last aspect we would like to describe is if there are outliers present. An outlier is a point that is far away from the rest of the points in the scatterplot. If there are no outliers, all the points will be close to the form. However, if there is an outlier, you will notice it as a point that is just far removed from the others. This about covers all the definitions for section 6.1. If you have further questions, be sure to review the example videos that follow or ask your instructor.